Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, the Subaru, that's right, is down. Not because of the engine, but because I thought at first it was a clutch release bearing again, because that's what happened last time. The throttle bearing got disconnected from the fork. It like completely broke off the fork, and yeah, so it was unusable. But right now it seems like it's really good. So I've come to find out that it's not that, but it's my master cylinder. So yeah, basically the master cylinder is back here. It's leaking from the bottom. Not sure how, but on the new one that I just got, there's like a what is it called? A clip, a C clip that holds in this little plate, and that's where it's leaking from. It's leaking from on the bottom. So I'll post a video of it leaking here somewhere in the video. But yeah, anyways, that has to be replaced. I'm so glad that Subaru has one in stock, because I'm on a time crunch right now, because on Thursday I have pre-dyno inspection on the car, and then next Friday I have the dyno and the tune. So I need to get this done, because tomorrow I won't have time and Wednesday I won't have time. So getting this done today will be the best bet. I'm so glad that they have it, because I was almost gonna have to order it online, but Subaru had it over here in stock. So yeah, there's the part number. Yeah, so this is gonna be an easy install compared to like other cars that I've done. It's just one line right here, and then this tube right here, and then all you gotta do is remove those two 12mm bolts, and there's a cotter pin holding the clutch, the other side of the clutch, the cotter pin, and you just pull the bolt out, and you can release this out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do that right now. Hopefully this fixes the problem and I got no more issues before dyno day or on dyno day, so that way this car can get tuned and be done with. But yeah, anyways, yeah, so let me just go ahead and replace that. So glad that that's all it was, and it's an easy fix. So yeah, so those of you who want to know how to do this, I'll try to show you step by step. So yeah, let's first start with removing that clutch line and that hose right here, and then we'll move on to remove those two bolts. And let me go ahead and disconnect the cotter pin down there and the bolt that's holding in the clutch master cylinder to the clutch, and then yeah, so easy peasy. This one, this is why I say Subarus are so easy to work on, because most cars have that cylinder way back there, like behind all this stuff, and like my Scion, I had to take all this part off, and then yeah, so like most cars you have to take off all this plastic shielding and stuff to get back there, and because the clutch is like right above it, the master cylinder is like right above it. So glad that this one's right here, so easy to take off. Same with the slave cylinder right there, so easy to access. It has easy access to change it out. So yeah, let me go ahead and remove both those lines. Let me put a clip right here to stop the line from leaking. I mean, it's gonna leak either way, but yeah. So let me just go ahead and take this off, and then we'll put the new one on. All right. Let's pinch this line. Okay. This way. Go ahead and remove it off the line. Okay. Well, here they are, guys. Got the new one right here, and then the old one. So this old one was leaking from right here, and that's what caused my clutch pedal to go all the way to the floor, because it was leaking, losing pressure, no more pressure. So yeah, thank God it's just this. Easy fix compared to if it was my throwout bearing. which costs us a lot more money for labor and stuff, and pulling out the transmission or the engine and put a new one in. So this one definitely, I'm glad that this is the part that went down and not my throttle bearing like last time. So yeah, easy to fix. Now let me just put this in, connect all the lines back on, and then we'll bleed it out and test it out. All right. Everything, all right guys, well, everything's connected now. Now it's just time to bleed it out. All right guys, well there it is. Got the whole clutch master cylinder in there now. Everything fit perfectly. Got everything all tightened up. Got it bled through. Got most of the air out. Might have to have the shop get the rest of it out because it's kind of soft, but the gears still go in and it still feels pretty hard anyway. So I mean, for the most part, I think it feels the same. I'm not too sure, but I'll have the shop do it for me just in case, just to make sure that it's bled all the way through, because I think you can do it with some better tools, because I don't have any. I forgot to get a bleeder tool, bleed it from the slave cylinder. I mean, yeah, from the slave cylinder. And yeah, so I got most of it bled through, so should be good now. Definitely, I drove it around, works fine. Yeah, so yeah, that solves this problem. Now hopefully nothing else happens until dyno day. Should be good to go, and then nothing but smiles per gallon after that. So not sure how much horsepower we're gonna get out of this thing, but anything above 300, around 350 will be good for me. Honestly, if I want more power, I'll definitely have to either think about getting some equal length headers or go E85, because I did get the Grimspeed BB500 turbo, and it's stock location, but I've been hearing that the numbers are not too high, but you never know. So anything above 350 will be good. 400 is the goal. So if I don't hit 400, I'll definitely look into probably going E85 or bigger injectors. Definitely bigger injectors, because I do have 1050s in here. So I'll probably get some 1300s or something down the line. So if we can't make close to 400, at least 380 to the wheels. We'll see what she brings. Then if it doesn't hit the 400 mark, then we'll definitely get some injectors. I don't know, I'll talk to the tuner and see what he says or what he thinks I should do. If I should go with bigger injectors or equal length headers, or I really don't want to go equal length, but we'll see. Either way, the rumble is still there right now, but if I have to go equal length, then I will, if I have to get more power. I don't know, we'll see. I'm excited, so we'll see how it goes. So yeah, next video will probably be out soon this week, me adjusting the ride height and taking off the diffuser. Yeah, we'll be good to go after that. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this little maintenance part install. Like I said, easy install. A couple bolts, 2 12s, take the suckers out, disconnect the clutch line, the hose, and then from the inside, it's really easy. There's a cotter pin there, and you just pull the pin and pull the bolt out, and then you should be able to just pull this out. So, and then push it, and then just go back and reverse solder. Simple install. Anything maintenance wise is pretty easy, so don't be afraid to do it yourself. All right, so anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you like this little maintenance part install. Got the car running again, works fine. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get the shop to bleed it out more. I'm not sure if it needs more bleeding, but kind of feels a little too soft. But it definitely, the gears go in, so drives fine and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it that I need to do anyway. So as long as I can get it to the shop and they can bleed it out more, so yeah, gears go in fine, so it's perfectly fine. But yeah, nothing wrong with the engine. Engine's fine. We'll see what else they find at the pre-inspection, but I'm pretty sure everything's ready to go. Got all the oil change done, all the break-in done, and yeah, she sounds good, runs healthy. So yeah, can't wait till dyno. 2 more weeks, like I said. But yeah, guys. All right, guys. Well, that pretty much completes this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.